Do you see how to create AI videos like this? Let me show you a video I created using AI, and then you tell me what you think. Now that you've watched it, drop a comment and tell me, what did it look like to you? When I go on YouTube and search cartoon video, you'll see there are so many videos hitting millions of views. And when you check how much these creators are earning, you'll see they're making thousands of dollars every single day, just from this type of content. That's exactly why I'm making this video, to show you how I create these cartoon videos myself. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that I already prepared the prompts. The prompt for every single scene in the video. This includes both the image prompt and the video prompt for each scene. I've already prepared everything in advance. Let's dive in. I've already copied all my prompts into a document. You'll find the link to that document in the description or pinned comment. After copying everything, I come to my browser. I use Chrome and search Imini AI. Click on the link that shows up. Once you land on the page, you'll notice it says Seedance 2.5 coming soon, meaning within about 4 days, Seedance 2.5 will be available on this platform. Now I click on AI image. I'm starting with images first because I want to keep my character consistent without any changes. I click text to image. Then under models, I choose GPT image 2. For the aspect ratio, I choose 16:9. For quality, I select 1K. That's enough. For sheets, I choose one, since you can actually create up to 4 images at once. But for this, I'll just go with one. Then I paste my prompt. Remember, I already copied all my prompts into my document, so I just paste it here. After pasting, I add this line: generate only 4 image scenes. That's it, just that one instruction. Then I click create. The AI immediately starts creating all 4 scenes at once. If I scroll down, you can see the scenes it generated for me. I tested this beforehand so I could show you exactly how it works. You just wait while it generates everything in one image. This is called your storyboard. So here's what it created: the scenes for my video, from the first to the last. I click on the image to open it, and you can see this is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4. 4 images, one for each scene. Now let me show you the technique I actually use to create videos that help you gain more views and earn money on YouTube or any other platform. I click download, and it starts saving the images to my device. Once downloaded, go to your download folder. From there, you need to take a screenshot of each individual scene. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and Scene 4. Don't worry if this sounds like extra work. I've already prepared all 4 screenshots for you inside my document. But if you're doing this yourself, after taking each screenshot, go back to your download folder and rename each file. Scene 1, Scene 2, and so on, depending on how many scenes you're creating. So here's what it looks like. This is Scene 1, this is Scene 2, Scene 3, and Scene 4. Each one saved and properly labeled. Now I go back into Imini AI, click AI image, and then select image to video. Under models, I scroll down and choose Seedance 2.0. For settings, I choose a 16-second duration and a 16:9 frame ratio. Next, I go back to my Google document, scroll down, and copy the video prompt for scene 1. I come back to Imini AI and paste it in. Then I click first frame and upload my scene 1 image. You can also upload a last frame if you want. That part is optional, but the first frame is required. Once the prompt is pasted and the image is uploaded, I set the resolution to 1080p and click create. The AI starts generating your video. It only takes a few minutes. And here it is. Scene 1 is done. Look at how the video turned out. It's genuinely impressive. If you like it, you can save and download it right away. This next part isn't hard at all. I go back to my Google document and copy the prompt for scene 2. Then I come back, paste it in, upload the scene 2 image, make sure sound is turned on, and this time I set the resolution to 720p, since higher settings can sometimes reduce quality on this scene. Then I click create. the AI starts generating scene 2. Let's wait, and here it is. Let me play it for you so you can see how it looks. Once you're happy with it, click Download. Now I go back to my folder, upload the Scene 3 image, copy the prompt for Scene 3 from my document, paste it in, and click Create. The AI generates Scene 3. Let me play it for you. Once it's done, download it. For Scene 4, same process. Upload the Scene 4 image, copy the prompt for Scene 4, paste it in, and click Create. That's really all there is to it. Let's wait for it to finish, and here's the result. Tell me which scene you think looks the best. Once you've created all 4 scenes, there's one more amazing feature I want to show you. Inside Imini AI, there's a tool called Canvas, where you can create and organize your images. When I click on it, you'll see it also mentions that Seedance 2.5 is coming soon. If you scroll down, you'll see the pricing plans, including a free plan you can use every day, completely free. You'll find my link in the description or pinned comment if you want to try it yourself. The last step is bringing everything together in your editing software. I personally use CapCut. Take all 4 video clips you downloaded, drag and drop them into your workspace, and edit them together to create your final video. Once you're happy with the edit, click Export, choose your resolution, and export your finished video. Now let me play the complete video for you. And that's exactly how I create these AI cartoon videos from start to finish. From writing the prompts to generating each scene, all the way to the final edit. Before you go, make sure to hit subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment telling me what kind of video you'd like me to create next. My name is Fred. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building.